called the mother of martial arts. And in coloring, the stances, animal stances, they are called vadivus. And vadivus actually teaches the combat, the art of combat is not, the human doesn't have a basic instinct of it. Okay, we have modified our all movements. How do we walk, how do we stand? But an animal has a natural instinct for protection. Okay, so the Ashtavadivus starts from Varaha, which is the wild boar, then moves on to Simha, Simha lion, then Gajavadivu, elephant, and then Matsya or Mayura. There are two styles of coloring white. So one is Matsya, other follows the Mayura, peacock and fish. Then you have Kukkuda, that is the hen. Kukkuda, the foal. Okay. Marjala, that is cat. Then, of course, snake. How can we leave snake? Dancers can't leave snake. Okay. So, and horse, Ashwavali. Okay, so the 8 stances. So now, why, though she just asked me to probably show you some mudras, this is Matsya, this is Kurma, this is Varaha, these are all very basic. My junior students also would do this daily. So this is very easy. Now, this is, what does it look like? Bird, a bird, okay. Then this is our popular Ganda Berunda, our state, whatever, emblem, right, okay. But apart from this, we have different, for birds, we have different ways of showing birds. And then, of course, it depends on the creativity of the artist. But then, what is important in Kalaripayat or martial arts, which is probably a precursor of the classical dance forms, because it became more sophisticated as Bharathanatyam or any other dance forms. And there we added a lot of, text and, lyrics, all those things. But Kalaripayat, mind you, it's a martial art. So that the sadhaka or the person who practices Kalaripayat needs to master the animal stances, postures, as well as the animal gaits. Okay? So there, what the acute observation from the nature around. Now when the cat, next time you see this, when a cat jumps from a height, it lands on its feet, the front feet. Okay? And it is very soundless. Cat is known for its gait, is known for Bekkanhang Banbitru, they say. Age Saplane Marde Bekkang Banbit Hopitru Anta. Okay? So that way the practitioner needs to focus on those things. When the Ashwa, the back leg, hind leg, needs to be firmly footed. Only then the horse stance is easy. The snake stance or sarpavadi, the body should bend totally, and then the snake will attack with hood. The snake will never attack with the tail. So the whole power should be focused at the hood, and only then you will be able to stand like a snake. So this is, the scientific way of observing animals, and I'm sure any of the postgraduate students should take up these kind of subjects just for a small studies, 3 months studies, which will not require too much of survey, all those things. But these kinds of papers should come from the scientific community. These papers are there from the artistic community, but they will not have the scientific knowledge in this. But I think if you people take it up, then it will be really good. Do you want me to show the stances? Anyways, actually sari is not very, yeah. I mean, the paintings I thought you can't do, but anyway, since you have asked, I mean, whoever asks, I will do. So, some people ask me, will you write an article for my paper? Then I say, if you ask, if you give me time, then I will not say no. So, that is why I will definitely do. First is, so wild boar will attack with its snout. See. Good. Ashwa. Kukkuda. See, this should be this thumb, that great toe. It should be like this. Otherwise, you will not be able to stand like this. And that is where you might have seen Koli Jagala. The
cockfight.
I don't know, hens also fight, I don't know. That fight, Koli Jagala it's called. So that fight, if you see, actually it's like this. Then you keep it, then do it like this and then you jump, then you go to Ashwa. Okay? After that, this is Matsya. The other way is, another style, it is peacock. So, I mean, I just, because since this is related to, otherwise I wouldn't have really, demonstrated on this particular symposium. But since it's related to whatever we are actually discussing, because see, we say that we learn so much from animals, the life skills, that's what I said. We learn so much from animals. And this is one great combat form, martial arts, earlier in Kerala in ancient days. Every child was sent to the Kalari, the place where Kalari fight is taught. Each and every child was made to go to Kalari. And the stamina, it's actually the Kalaris